Yes, sir.
How you doing? I did it again, dang it. See, it's hard for me to break my own habits. How are you doing? How's it going?
So you saying no more hi or hey, right? You just go right into the name.
I know it sounds crazy, but the responses are a lot better. Here's the other thing you have to realize, guys, especially if you're leaving a voicemail. They're not listening to your voicemail. They're reading it. So when I say, hey, Orlando, how's it going? Hope your day's going great. Okay, I just took up all of the best real estate on the home page of the screen of their phone with, how's it going? Hey, Orlando, hope you're dealing with the rain okay. And they're like, delete, right? Orlando, Matt Easton with Easton University. Wanted to reach out to you personally because there's something that every blank's having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. Wanted to make sure you were aware of it. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. The more fluff that you guys can remove, the more you'll find that people will lock into what you're saying and they'll actually call you back. Or if it's a live call, they'll pay attention to you.
Hey, Matt.
Yo.
What's the nicest thing you've done for salespeople?
The nicest thing I've done for salespeople, I think we should do it right now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. You're gonna cover the cost. It's coming out of your pocket. Heather's gonna cover all the cost for you. I want you to click the link here. I will get you the closing mini masterclass. You're gonna close more deals. You're gonna make more money. You're gonna have more fun. Things are gonna be great for you. And she's picking up the tab. You're welcome. She's picking up the tab. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.